This is how you turn silent mode on and off on iPhones before iPhone 15. After iPhone 15 or 15 and after, you can swipe down from the control center and there's a bell icon that'll turn on silent mode. Super easy. Or you can tap and hold the button on the left side or the right side. I don't know which one. I don't have the newer phone. But one of those buttons on the outside, you just hold it and silent mode will turn on. And there's even an option in the settings. But for older phones, we don't have that. We can only do two things to enable silent mode, and that is swipe down from the top right and turn our volume all the way down. And on the side panel here, we have a switch we can flick. We flick it up, and you see the ringer's on. We flick it down, and it shows ringer is off, or it says silent mode even. But it's not official silent mode like the newer phones. So this means that we are now going to be silent after having turned the volume down and flick that switch. And then we are going to only have vibrations potentially for when we get messages and phone calls, but there's not going to be any beeping and booping sounds like for iPhone ringtones and stuff like that. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash cans and get tons more space on your phone. So check that video out next, and I'll see you there.